Chapter 10. Let's learn HTML. Chapter Surf. Terms related to Internet. What is HTML? Structure of HTML document. What are HTML tags? Creating HTML document. Viewing HTML document. Modifying HTML code. Attributes of body tag, p tag, br tag. You know that Internet is the largest network that connects computers all over the world to share information. A computer on the Internet that stores websites is called a server. Terms related to Internet. Let us recall the basic terms related to Internet. Web browser. Web browser is a software which interacts with the server to display a web page. Web page. It is an individual document on the server which contains related information in form of text, images, videos, sounds, animations, etc. Each web page has its unique address on the web server, known as its URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Website. A website is a collection of many related pages stored in servers. These web pages are interlinked to one another through hyperlinks. What is HTML? HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is a language used for designing web pages. It provides certain markup codes that describe the content and format of the web page. Hypertext is the text that works as a hyperlink. Markup is a way of writing documents that describes the general structure of the document so that a browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari can read the documents and display them. It does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the content of the document. Features of HTML. HTML documents are simple text files. There is no need of compilation of HTML codes. HTML is not a case-sensitive language. Spaces and tabs can be used anywhere, unlike some other programming languages. HTML documents can be written in any text editor. HTML documents can be viewed in any browser and any type of operating system. This is why HTML is platform-independent language. HTML editor. There are two kinds of HTML editors. WYSIWYG editors are GUI-based programs that let us create web pages without knowing the HTML code. Websites can be created quickly using these editors. WYSIWYG stands for What You See Is What You Get. Examples of these editors are FrontPage, Adobe Dreamweaver, etc. Text editors are programs that are used to create web page by writing the HTML code. We need to know the correct usage of HTML tags. Example of these editors are Notepad and WordPad. Structure of HTML document. The basic structure of an HTML document is HTML document is made up of various tags which tell the browser how to display the web page. But there are some basic HTML tags used in all HTML documents to identify document parts. HTML tag. HTML. The HTML tag encloses the whole HTML document, which marks the beginning and end of the document. It helps the browser to understand that the document is HTML document. Head tag. The head tag is used to define the document header. It is placed within the HTML tag and contains the information like title, style, document's description, etc. Title tag. The title tag appears within the head tag. The information enclosed by the title tag appears in the title bar of the browser window when the page is displayed. Body tag. The body tag appears after the head tag. All the contents of the web page, that is, text, graphics, links, etc., are enclosed in between the body tag. What are HTML tags? HTML tags are the special keywords enclosed between the angle brackets that convey a meaning to the web browser about how to display the content followed by them. Most of the tags are used in pairs. That is, with each start tag, there is an end tag. For example, HTML, body, B, etc. The only difference between start and end tag is that in end tag, keyword is preceded by a /. Start tag, text, end tag. The type of tags that have a start tag as well as an end tag are called container tags or non-empty tags. For example, HTML and body tags. There are some tags which do not need an end tag. For example, HR and BR tags. These tags are called empty tags. Tag attributes. Tag attributes are the special words used inside the start tag to control the tag's behavior. There could be more than one attribute for a tag separated by space in between. Font, tag name, size attribute is equal to 5 attribute value. Color attribute is equal to red attribute value. Nested tags. When you use tags within some other tags, it is called nesting of tags. You must balance each pair of nested tags so that they do not overlap. For example, head, title, creating a web page, title, head. Creating HTML document. Let us learn to create HTML code using the text editor Notepad. Step 1. Click on Start button and click on All Programs in the Start menu. Step 2. Scroll to and click on Accessories. Step 3. Click on Notepad. Step 4. Type the HTML code in Notepad window. Step 5. Save the HTML document. Click on File, Save As. The Save dialog box appears. Step 6. Give a name to the document and add HTML or .htm extension. For example, mypage.html or mypage.htm. Step 7. Click on Save button. Viewing HTML document. The saved HTML document can be viewed in a web browser like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Open the folder where you have saved the HTML document and double-click on the HTML document. The HTML document will open as a web page in the web browser window. Modifying HTML code. Open Notepad, click on File menu and click on Open option. From the Open dialog box, select the HTML document and click on Open button. Make the modifications to the HTML document. Click on Save in File menu or press Ctrl plus S key to save the changes in the document. In the browser, click the refresh button or press F5 key. The browser displays the changes made in the web page. Attributes of body tag. The body tag contains the main code of the HTML document. By default, the web page is created on a plain white background using text in black color. The attributes of the body tag are used to change the default setting. Using colored background. To change the background color of the page, you use the BG color attribute in the body tag. Format. Body color equals color name. Example. Using picture background. To add a picture as a web page background, we can use the background attribute in the body tag. Format. Body background equals path / filename.extension, where filename.extension is the name of picture file to be used, with complete storage location. Example. Changing text color. To change the default text color from black to some other color, you can use the text attribute. Format. Body text equals color name. Example. P tag. The P tag is used to start a new paragraph. The text that we type between start and end P tags is by default left aligned. We can change the alignment of paragraph by using the align attribute. Format. P-align equals alignment, where alignment can be left, right or center. BR tag. The BR tag is known as line break tag. To simply end one line and jump to the next, use BR tag. This tag shifts the text to a new line without inserting a blank line in between. Format.